Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see with coordination. This is the last part of this chapter. So let's get started. Concept of coordination. Coordination is the process of synchronization of group efforts so as to maintain the unity of action among the employees in an organization. Synchronization means to match two or more activities at a time efficiently. Let's understand the concept properly. Coordination is the process of turning the personal objectives of a group member towards the common organizational objective of all the members of the group. We can also say that the communication or knowing about the production process between departments and individuals to better their work and their skills is known as coordination. Coordination is said as essence of management because coordination is the thing through which all the organizational objectives are achieved. It is done through the coordination or communication between individuals and departments so as to enhance the work improvement, productivity and efficiency. All the functions of management are performed by different level managers, while coordination is such function which is performed by all the levels of managers or in all the levels of management. Let's see how coordination is carried out in different level and in different function. Let's see the functions one by one. First we have is coordination in planning. In planning, and top level manager decides sets the organizational objective and prepares a framework of production process. While doing this work, he cannot do it singly because he might be misguided or he might have some doubts in his plan or in his framework. There should be a person to guide him or to provide him adequate knowledge to prepare those plans. So we can see that coordination between all the top level managers is present in planning. Second is coordination in organizing. In organizing, a manager sets the framework into execution. While setting the framework into execution, he assigns responsibilities to some people and creates departments, and the coordination between departments is found here. Top level manager also communicates information to the middle level. So we can see that coordination is present in organizing as well. In staffing, there is training, selection, recruitment, where coordination is directly seen because a manager or a HR manager communicates with all department heads and selects employees and train them and turn the personal objectives of the employees into the organizational objective. Fourth is coordination in controlling. It is the main step where the coordination is mostly found because here these two last functions are performed by supervisors. So coordination in controlling means a supervisor controls the production process so as to reach its whole efficiency, and while doing this he controls or commands the employees. So we can see fifth one is coordination in directing. In direction, a supervisor directs all the employees or workers working under him towards a single thing, that is fulfillment of organizational objectives or fulfillment of the given targets to them. So we can see that in all functions of management, coordination is present. Let's see some features of coordination. First feature is coordination integrates group efforts. It says that coordination provides common focus to all and unifies the group efforts so as to reach their maximum efficiency. Second, coordination ensures unity of action. Coordination increases communication between departments and individuals, which will result in an individual knowing the detailed procedure and stage of production through which there is an unity among the people in work. Third one is coordination is a continuous process. It says that coordination in and management exists until and unless the business survives, because until and unless the business survives, there are employees working in it and they follow coordination between them. Fourth one is coordination is all pervasive process. It says that coordination is present all over the universe, or it is universally applicable, though in business or in non-business activities. Fifth one is coordination is all managers' responsibilities. We had seen that coordination between different levels of management and between different managers is important so as to reach the maximum efficiency and perfect utilization of resources so as to improve productivity. Fifth one is coordination is a deliberate function. It says that all the managers should make a conscious effort and coordinate or direct all the employees towards a fulfillment of achievement of the organizational goals.